Mighty God, we thank you that through the death of your Son, his resurrection and his ascension, we are able to meet here this morning. We are able to come and be with you as your family in this place. We come with joy in our hearts because we know and love you. And we know that you know us and love us so deeply. And so, dear Lord, as we go through this service, may we see, may we hear, may we learn, may we love something new about you. Amen.